Untitled Channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
White hair to black permanently in 30 minutes. For jet black at home, 100% working. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to turn your white hair to black hair permanently. We need those ingredients to make this recipe. One teaspoon of henna powder, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Note the time to apply this recipe on your hair. I'll leave it on for 30 minutes. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.